Good morning. My name is Judy. I am 55 years old, and I would like to talk today about my decision to keep my silver hair. So it's really like a platinum blonde color now. I did start turning white, if you will. Probably it really started to change about 5 years ago. And I never considered coloring it because my whole life I've never colored my hair, even as a teenager. That being said, I've got a little pink stripe here, so rose gold. But yeah, just a little bitty color to add, and depending on which way I color part my hair, it's on one side or the other. So I'd like to brighten it up just a little bit. I did a lot of research a while back on purple shampoos and conditioners, and I haven't been super impressed with the way that the products that I ended up purchasing worked for my hair. I didn't really see a noticeable difference in brightening the blonde. So you can imagine my surprise and delight when I found out that Boom Cosmetics has come out with a line, and I just received my shipment. Boom are the only cosmetics that I use. I'm not kidding. I mean, I love their moisturizer. I love their color. I love the glimmer stick. I've got a little pouch here with my products in it, a Boom bag, and if you sign up for their emails, you'll find out when they have specials on these. And at any rate, so I just received, I'm so excited. I got my the 3 products that I have to try are the shampoo and then 2 types of conditioner. So the Boom Silver shampoo is very, very deeply pigmented. I've just taken off the, and you can see it's very dark. It's almost like a glimmery purple. Very, very, I'm really anxious to try this. I'm excited. So, of course, I need to wipe this off. So, they have 2 conditioners. The first is this lightweight conditioner. This one is designed for fine to medium silver or blonde hair, and it's also called Boom Silver. So this is like there's not a lot of pigment in it, but it does have a lavender shade, and this is my first time opening it, so it feels nice, and it's very lightweight, and it definitely feels moisturizing, which I need. My hair is quite thin and very fine. The other is thicker cream. This is called Intensive Conditioner. It says for thick or dry silver or blonde hair. So here we go. This is also a light lavender color. So neither one are highly pigmented. Oh yeah, that's very creamy. Yeah, it feels like a lotion. So what I would like to do, even though I do have the very thin, fine hair, I definitely want to try them both because it's fine and wavy. I find that a thicker conditioner is often more advantageous in helping me to maintain my curly hair. So what I'd like to do is try these out. I'm going to maybe part my hair in the middle and try one conditioner. I'm going to use the shampoo on both sides, But then I will plan to try one conditioner on one side and the other on the other. So I will take a few photos before and after, and you can let me know what you think. And since you're letting me know what you think, I've got a bunch of paint samples on my wall there, so you can tell me what you think might go well. So thanks, and I'll see you soon.